Did you know a single cotton ball from any medical store can help protect and boost your plants? Today, I'll show you a very simple but powerful gardening trick. Step 1. Prepare the solution. Take a liter of water in bowl and mix in 1 spoon of garlic powder. It naturally repels harmful insects and pests. 1 spoon of turmeric powder. It stops fungus and harmful bacteria. Half spoon of baking soda. It prevents fungal growth and keeps the soil healthy. Step 2. Dip the cotton ball. Now take 1 big cotton ball and dip it into this solution. The cotton absorbs the mixture and works like a natural slow-release protector. Step 3. Simply hang that soaked cotton ball on a branch or place it near the plant base. As it slowly dries, it releases the natural ingredients to keep your plants safe and strong. So next time you see a cotton ball, don't just think of medical use. Use it in your garden. Just 1 big cotton ball can truly make a difference for your plants.